Hello everyone, hope you are doing well. Now I will show you how to install Google Chrome in your Linux Ubuntu system. For this reason, first go to your Firefox web browser and type Chrome download, then click on Google Chrome and then click on download Chrome. As we are installing Google Chrome for our Debian or Ubuntu, that's why just select 64bit.debian and click on accept and install. After that, your Google Chrome setup file will be downloaded. I cancelled it because I downloaded it before. Then go to files and go to download. This is our downloaded file. Then open a terminal, then write cd and then write downloads and slash, give a slash, click on enter, then type ls, click enter, then type sudo space dpkg space -i space and this file name, this is google-chrome-stable.debian. so I am typing this now, Google Chrome stable.deb, then click enter, then enter your Linux or Ubuntu password. I entered my password and click enter. Now my system is unpacking the zip file, and this is a zip file. Our system unpacked this file successfully. Then type sudo space apt space install space -f, then click on enter. Now successfully our Google Chrome installed in our Linux Ubuntu system, and by this way you can install your Google Chrome in your system. Then check it for out, then go to apps, and we just installed our Google Chrome here. If you do not find it here, just search here by writing Chrome. This is our Chrome web browser that we installed recently. I hope this will be helpful for install Google Chrome in your Ubuntu Linux system. Thank you for watching. See you later.